Next question. Sides AB and BC and median AD of a triangle ABC. So ABC is a triangle. The question says about the side AB, the side BC and the median AD. Median is a line drawn to the midpoint of the opposite side. So D is the midpoint of BC. Okay. Those three sides are respectively proportional to sides PQ, QR and PQ, QR and a median PM. PQ, QR and a median PM of another triangle. PQR. We have to show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. What all are given? This side AB, the ratio of the side AB and PQ. Again, BC and QR. The median AD and PM will be equal. That is what is stated in the first sentence. Read the sentence again. The sides AB, BC and AD are proportional to PQ, QR and PM. So AB by PQ will be equal to BC by QR will be equal to AD by PM. So that is what is given. So we can write the first condition given. AB divided by PQ is equal to BC divided by QR is equal to AD divided by PM. So this is the condition given. What we have to prove is triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. To prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, already these two sides ratios are given equal. So if we need to apply SAS, we need to prove the included angle B is equal to angle Q. Otherwise, we have to prove the proportionality of these sides is equal to AC by PR. So, we are moving with the SAS similarity criterion. We are trying to prove the similarity using SAS similarity criterion. Okay. For that, what we are going to do is we are going to consider triangle ABD and a triangle PQM. First, we are going to prove the similarity of triangle ABD and triangle PQM. Before taking those two triangles, I am going to take the ratio once again. AB by PQ is equal to, instead of BC, I can write as 2 times BD. Isn't it? Instead of BC, I can write as 2 times BD. Same way, instead of QR, I can write it as 2 times QM is equal to AD divided by PM. Okay, so 2 gets cancelled. So what we are getting is AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM is equal to AD by PM. This is what we are getting by simplifying the given condition. Now what we are going to do is we are going to consider triangle ABD. This triangle ABD and a triangle PQM. Triangle PQM. Can you say something? If I am writing the ratio, they look here. AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM by QM is equal to AD by PM isn't it? So that holds, the same condition holds for these two triangles. That is the reason why we change the given condition like this. So AB by PQ equal to BD by QM equal to AD by PM. Therefore, by the sides ratios are equal. All the three sides ratios are equal. Therefore, by SSS similarity criterion, what we can say, triangle ABD similar to triangle PQM. Okay, triangle ABD similar to triangle PQM. Since these two triangles are similar, already we proved that the sides are in the same proportion and also angle will be equal, isn't it? Just look which all angles we require. ABD is the triangle which is towards the left side. Here also the triangle which is towards the left side is PQM. So this angle BAD will be equal to QPM. Again, ADB will be equal to PMQ. And again, ABD will be equal to PQM. ABD can also be named as angle B. PQM can be named as angle Q. So, we require only that angle. Okay. So, what we can write as by similarity, what we can write angle B is equal to angle Q. Again, what we are going to consider is we have to prove these two triangles. Which two triangles? ABC and PQR are similar. So, we are going to consider those two triangles. Consider triangle ABC, the bigger triangle given, and the triangle PQR. In that triangle, now we prove that angle B is equal to angle Q. Okay, and again we have AB by PQ Look at the given condition. AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. That also we can write, isn't it? AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. Just look at the figure. AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. So we got corresponding sides as equal to, corresponding sides are proportional, and the included angle is angle B and angle Q. So we have already proved that angle B equal to angle Q and the sides proportionality was given. So this was given, this we proved above. So what we can conclude by SAS similarity criterion, we can say that these two triangles are similar. Okay. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR.